My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called SMILEDOG. SMILEDOG is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them essentially. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open the files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this SMILEDOG ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system, and then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this SMILEDOG ransomware. The ransomware appends this SMILE extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea, of course. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system by clicking on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on Start Scan, the program most likely would first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add certain folders which would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. So, at the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always get your data protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.